Hello friends, in this video we will solve real-time problem as you can see on screen. Before solving the problem, I'm expecting we have a list of employees record. Now I'll read the problem. First problem, find out average salary of female and male employees. And second problem, select top salary employee from each department. We can solve this problem by using grouping by collectors. Grouping by and grouping by concurrent provide us with functionality similar to grouping by clause in the SQL language. We use them for grouping objects by some properties and storing result in a map instance. That new features added in JDK 8 inside Stream API. Now we will check both the problem in practical. I'll move in our IDE. Here I have created two class. One is the employee class with member variable, ID, name, kind of, and I provided the parameterized and default constructor and also added the getter methods and overrided the toString method to print output in a good format. And second class I created the dummy class. In dummy class I created the init data method. From init data method I'll return the record of employee, list of employee. So here I added list of employees record inside the employee list. This list of employee record we can use to perform our real-time queries. Now I'll move on our class. So here I already created the class to find out average salary for male and female employee. So just I created the class only. Now I'll create the main method, and from main method first I'll get the record of employees on which we will perform the date operation. Employees and dummy init data. Now on this I'll perform and find out average salary for male and female employees. I'll use the stream here, stream.collect, and from here I'll use collectors average, not average, sorry, group by. Here I will provide the group by, like on which I want to perform a grouping. So for employee, you can see gender, and I'll use here the collectors.average, and inside I will also provide for which you want average. So for salary. Okay. So this line of code will return list of male and female employees average. It will return average salary for male and female employee, and it return type of this will map instance. So I'll create the map, and how I'll decide type of key and value. So here I provided the gender as a string, right, and salary will return as a double. So in the same way, key will be string and value will be double. Okay. I need to import it. I imported it. Okay, then I can print it. So here I'll print and show you the output. So in the output you can see male and male employees average salary this, and female employees average salary this. So friends, this is the beauty of Java 8 Stream API. You get your result without performing any SQL kind of operation in a one line. You get your result. Okay. Now we will move on the second problem. So our second problem, find out top salary employees from each department. Okay. For second problem, I already created the class to find out the top employee, and I already return a logic. So same like I get the result this with that in a data method, and on stream I performed the collect, and for collect I provided the grouping by, and on group by I want a group by with department. So I use the department method of employee class get department. So we will get the list of, sorry, we will get the department name, and I perform the collecting, and then inside that I use the max by. In max by I use the comparing double, that is the methods from util comparator. You can see I use as a static import, and for example you want to use multiple places collectors, then in the same way you can also provide the static import for collectors and others. Okay, and inside that I used the max, and we are comparing the salary, and that will be the return. That is, we use the optional class, that is again Java 8 features to manage null value. Now I'll print this. So for printing this I'll use entry set, and in that I'll use the iterator, and for each remaining I'll use here, and here I'll use system dot out dot println, then I'll run this program. So here you can see the record of all the department. So records coming from all the department. You can see no department is repeated here, and they displaying with the max salary. Okay, if you want to cross verify from the data, so one data I'll cross verify it. So product department, and I'll go inside the dummy data class, and where is the product department, this is the product department, and its highest salary is again it's a product department, again it's a product department, again it's a product department. So I can see product department highest salary 35,700. You can see 35,700. So we can sort out many problems, and such type of problems most of the asked in your interview if you have experienced more than 5+ years in the Java development. and of course in Java 2 plus years, Java 8. So thank you watching it. We will come with new tricky Java 8 interview questions.